Kailash Chandra dictation. Start. Sir, the Essential Commodities Act was passed 5 years ago, and when the minister yesterday came with an amending bill, we expected that he would give us a brief report on the working of this measure for the last few years, full stop. But unfortunately, we are kept in the dark in regard to the exact working of the act and the nature of the difficulties the minister is facing, full stop. Sir, as far as I know, many of the provisions of this enactment have been observed more in violation by his agents at the state level, full stop. The food minister may be very earnest, may be very able, and may be very anxious to see that the various provisions of the act are implemented in the most effective manner at the state level. But unfortunately, his agents at the state level are not equally enthusiastic or equally anxious to observe the provisions of this enactment, full stop. The most important objectives of this enactment are to control the supply and distribution of commodities and to maintain a stable price level, full stop. In regard to both these aspects, I am afraid that the government has failed to realize the objectives in view, full stop. Some time passed when there was scarcity of food grains. Attempts were made to make procurement from certain wholesale merchant and from rice mills, full stop. In my own state, I know of many instances of such procurement where, after making known that certain things had to be done and certain steps had to be taken by the merchant community, nothing was done later on by the government when they found that these very orders of the government were violated, full stop. As a result of the violations, there was a consequent rise in the prices of food grains, full stop. In respect of other commodities like iron and steel, paper, etc., we face a lot of speculative activities, but the provisions of the act have not been brought to bear on them, full stop. Perhaps no case of prosecution was launched against those people who contravened the various provisions of the act, full stop. We are interested to know in how many cases the government have taken steps to prosecute individuals who have violated the various sections of the act, full stop. The minister said that the powers under the act were not adequate, full stop. We sympathize with the food minister, but I want to know what action has been taken in this regard by the various state governments, full stop.